In this very short tutorial, I will show you how you can generate very professional portrait similar to the results of a Canon camera by a professional photographer. I will tell you about the prompt and you can use that with Midjourney, Bluewillow, Stable Diffusion or any other AI image generator. Generally in prompts we should add the detail of the image, which I am specifying as a portrait of a simple and young village boy. I am specifying his natural appearance, eyes and hair color, with a smile on his face. To get even better results, I will add the Canon camera detail. For example, the photo taken by some famous photographer like Eric Lefort using a Canon EOS R series camera. Then I am specifying the lens, ISO, aperture size and the shutter speed as well. I am also specifying it as a high resolution and an award-winning photo. Let's see what we get. I will show you the results what I got from the Midjourney, but as I said earlier that you can use the same prompt with Stable Diffusion, Bluewillow or any other AI image generator. These are the amazing results. These are not even yet upscaled, but you can see the quality of these images. Here is another output with the same prompt. I will upload more content related to prompt generation. Please like the video and subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching.